Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be doing golden smoked eye with just using very minimal colors and creating that smoky eye. You do not need more than 2 or 3 colors to create this look, or maybe 2 or 4 brushes to create this look. I will link all the products that I have used down below, so that way I'm starting off by applying the matte pink pot. And the color I'm using is Genuine Treasure. I'm using my fingers. I'm going to apply oil over my eyelid. Applying this from my lash line up to crease, not all the way high because it will get darker then. Now taking a clean brush and I'm going to blend this out. I'm going to take my Anasthasia Mustard Palette by Mario and I'm going to use the shade Hollywood. All the way outer side to stay inside and go a little bit up. Now again, I'm going to take the MAC blackest color, and the color is called Carbon Matte, and I'm going to take a brush that looks like this. I don't know the name because I think the name was removed while I was using it, so it came off. All you have to do is just go in the corner and then dab it in a diagonal or in a curvy way so your eye look lifted, and then just bring it inside from the corners, not all the way inside. From this point to this point, like right here, and going upwards and then going like that. So triangular, curved, or diagonal, however you want to say it. Just make sure you're not going too inside, otherwise it will blend in with our pink pot and golden we just put on. Brush and then tapping the black inside the crease on the lower lash line to deposit the darker color. Decay Basics, and this is the palette looks like, and I'm going to take the color Faint on a very fluffy brush and just going on the top crease of my eye to make it blend and look like it's all one line. Taking a big fluffy brush, and this brush is called Eye Powder Fluff Brush 200 by Borges, and I'm just going to put the color Venus on my jawbone or the crease bone, you can say, however you like it. And then just go ahead just like that, so there is no harsh lines that you see. This time I'm taking the Urban Decay Naked palette. It's called Crave or Craft or Crave. And then just pushing it in on the lower lash line. It's okay if you have mess under your eye or it's a fallout, because that's the purpose we did the eyes before, so we don't have to redo our foundation again. On my eyes all day, otherwise I am going to be very disappointed at them. And now I'm going to apply the eyeliner on my eyes, if I can find it. And the eyeliner I use is from Krylon, this one, Aqua. I cannot begin to tell you how much I adore this eyeliner, because it just goes very smooth on your eyes. Take my Clinique mascara and then just putting on my lashes under, not on top, because I'm afraid my lashes will fall off. For my eyebrows, I have mentioned in my videos before that the only color goes on my eye is the black, because my eyelashes are dark and my eyebrows are dark, and I have tried the darkest brown out there and it just did not look pretty nice on my eyebrows when I have tried that dark brown. So I just do the black now. And for my eyebrows, I really don't need much of a shaping because they are already in a pretty good shape. What I do is I just fill in those gaps where I see hair are missing or they're thinner than thickest ones on my eyebrows. So yeah, and then doing the same on this side. So for this eyebrow, if you look at it from this, comparing to this one, I have some hair missing right here. So what I do is I hold my angled brush, facing the top part down, and then just create strokes. And whatever is out, I just take a finger or a clean brush with the concealer on, and then just blend it in. so it looks like it's one part of my eye, not something choppy. And just so it does not go like flashy or too much look, what I do is taking a spoolie brush and brush it upward and then just combing it down. So this is my complete eye look. Oh my god, I have something in my throat. And now I'm going to do my makeup off camera and I will be right back. Here is the complete look, and all I did was just put some lashes on and took my foundation off camera, and yep, and I'm right in front of you. Please comment below and let me know how do you like this look, and if there's any more looks that you want me to do, please go ahead and let me know, and I will definitely try my best to do all the looks that you want me to do. Hit the subscribe my channel, hit the notification bell, and like my video so I can go ahead and give you more content to have fun with. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next